My client came with a request which is less demarcation when her hair grows out. She likes her grays, but she just wants to blend them in a little bit with color. We are going to be using the INOA Ammonia-free Hair Color from L'Oreal Professional. I'm going to be placing them in foils. It's going to look more natural, and it's going to blend in with her natural grays. It's going to give her a lot of dimension. You will see how beautiful it looks once we start doing the blow dry. You can see here some of the color. I'm gonna blow dry with Absolute Repair Heat Protectant from L'Oreal Professional as well. And here you can see how her grays show a little bit, but not as much, and that's what she likes. And see here how you can see the grays, they act as highlights, and then the color is the lowlights. Very nice, very simple French blending technique. That is going to give her lots of shine because of the INOA, and then less demarcation when it grows out.